Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video will be showing you guys where to locate your radiator, fan, relay and fuse in a Honda Accord CL9. This one here is fine, but for purposes of teaching you guys, I will show you where to locate the fuses. So you want to pop open your bonnet and just go over here. My little handout. You've got you got 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. You just want to go ahead and pop those up just like that, and then you will see over here you have one here which is a 40 amp. You got one relay over here next to it, so right here 40 amp in your fuse, sorry, and then you got one here. So these are the two that you would want to check if your fan's not switching on. If suddenly, if you're running your coolant cycle, your cooling cycle, and your fans aren't activating, then you might want to check these. And if that doesn't work, if these are fine, I do recommend going to the actual fans themselves, or the connectors. Pretty sure this one connector here, and then there's another connector here for the second fan. So there's two fans altogether on this car, 1, 2, and 2 connectors, 1 and 2. You would like to go ahead and get yourself a multimeter and just pull this connector off and just double check that you're getting power over to the fan. Okay, if you're not getting power to the fan, it could be that your fan is faulty and no good. So whilst it's a pretty uncommon issue, it does happen, so best to check it, make sure. Same for your fuses, guys. Just multimeter, continuity, just check it, and yeah, hopefully that solves the problem. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace out.